Hi everyone, it is technically Tuesday, July 26th. I want to take this second Front Counter bi-weekly update video to talk about our Customer Experience Monitor, or you may have heard them referred to as our customer comments or our customer scores. These are the responses from the little surveys that print off every 3 or 4 transactions. These are the responses that people give us. And I'm going to go over what the survey is and why it's important to us. So first of all, why is it important? Chick-fil-A corporate in our store, we value this feedback very highly. We see this as the most concrete indicator of whether a store is successful or not. So what that means for us is our scores indicate or are representative of the trend that we're on, whether successful or not successful. And it also highlights areas of improvement because for each category, guests can actually give feedback. So first of all, there are 10 categories, and I'm going to go over each one and explain how guests respond to it. The first is called Be Remarkable, and this is simply, would you recommend the store to others or not? It's a yes or no question. Simple. Would you recommend this store to others? Yes or no? A yes, Chick-fil-A corporate has gathered all this data from all the Chick-fil-A's. Stores that get a lot of yeses on would you recommend the store to others see a big and consistent growth in sales. Second is overall satisfaction, and this is a 5-point scale ranging from highly satisfied to highly dissatisfied. And it says, please rate your overall satisfaction with your most recent visit to this Chick-fil-A. Now this is a very, very important one. I think it's Justin's favorite one because it gives him a clear picture of how satisfied his guests are with their experience. Because to have a guest that's highly satisfied, you have to hit all the marks: food, service, cleanliness. Cleanliness, friendliness, fresh food, fast. Do you see why we harp on that all the time? Next is fast service. How satisfied are you with our speed of service? Again, high 5-point scale from highly satisfied to highly dissatisfied. Next is order accuracy. Was your order filled and prepared as you requested? Yes or no? Yes or no? That's everything from napkins in the bag to mints and hand wipes in the bag to 2 Chick-fil-A sauces versus 4 Chick-fil-A sauces. Was your order filled and prepared as you requested? Yes or no? Taste. On a scale of highly satisfied to highly dissatisfied, how would you rate the taste of your food? Attentive and courteous. How satisfied were you with the attentiveness and courteousness of our employees? Cleanliness. The cleanliness of your Chick-fil-A. How satisfied are you with the cleanliness of the Chick-fil-A that you visited? Exterior cleanliness. How satisfied are you with the exterior cleanliness of the Chick-fil-A you visited? This is why it's so important in the morning when the parking lot gets done, how that drive-thru has to be immaculate because guests have to sit in the drive-thru for maybe, hopefully not that long, but between 1 and 3 minutes, and they're seeing every little thing that's missed. And finally, restroom cleanliness. Please rate from highly satisfied to highly dissatisfied. Rate the cleanliness of the bathroom. Rate your satisfaction with the cleanliness of the restroom. So super important. This is why we do the half-hour bathroom check. So those are the 10 categories that our guests are asked about, and that all builds out of our core 4. So this is a good indicator for the leadership team. If there are consistently poor responses, let's say in restroom cleanliness, we can look at that and say, okay, we are missing something here. Our guests perceive that there is an issue. So whether or not there is an actual issue or not, we need to change that perception by cleaning more, by having brighter lights maybe, etc. The numbers never actually tell the whole story, but they don't ever lie. That's a quote from Justin. Numbers never tell the whole story, but they never lie. So we use these scores every single month to see how we're doing and to highlight areas of improvement. So in future videos, I'm going to be highlighting areas of success and areas of improvement via these scores, and we'll also be reading comments for each little video. So thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day tomorrow.